guys, we're called Footprint. Both of us are designers. And our idea is, have you walked around San Francisco? I have seen leaves, gums, trash, poop, unidentifiable objects, smelly, ugly, does not feel like home. So what if we can connect the people who have the wealth with the people who have the time and strength? Welcome Footprint. The objective is to have a large-scale social collaboration to make your city a prettier place and be a part of a community that takes ownership of its city. So you can reduce your poopy footprint and increase your freshness footprint. And we have thought about the users. So some of the companies can donate their money, and the volunteers, basically their employees, and nonprofit organizations can utilize the donations. Individual donator can sponsor a street or warehouse, and individual volunteers can donate their time. And we can also have partners that can sponsor these volunteers, and the volunteers can redeem these promotions and invite more volunteers. So the architecture of this mobile web site is basically companies have money, people, and they're donators with money, but they don't have the time. And there are volunteers who have the time. So companies and donators create a version of the map, basically that building the streets. So they are the creators of the realm, and volunteers are the builders of the realm. So they take ownership of the streets that are sponsored by companies and donators, and together they build a new map. So the streets that have been sponsored show up in the map, and the blocks that have been volunteered show up in colors. And we can also show how clean, when was the last time these blocks are cleaned. So we'll show you what we came up with as a design.
So I'll take you through the flow of just the individual and volunteer and donor for the sake of time. So when you log on to or go to our site, it takes you straight to a marketing message, and you can sign up. Then it's easy sign up, and then once you sign up, it takes you to a map, and it defaults to donate. So for donate, you can select these house icons, which is they're locations where you can donate money to, or you can select each block, and each block is $10, so you can select those. So the blue parts are streets where people are currently cleaning, and then the pink line streets are people have donated already, and then these white lines are uncharted territory. So then if you want to volunteer, you can select Adopt tab, and it allows you to adopt, and you can select each street that you want to adopt, and each street is it's assigned a block number. So so once you select all the blocks that you want to volunteer, you can click continue, and lets you select the times that you want to adopt.
The brilliant part about this is that once you select it, so this is focused on the time you have available. So you select the time available, and we automatically match whichever blocks you have selected to the time. And you can also switch and drag these so that on Monday, I prefer to clean the other block instead of this block. And it's also, we have a recurring option.
Yeah. So once you're done, it says congratulations, and you can go to the your user profile, and it tells you when is the next block cleaning scheduled.
And we are thinking there will be a flow once you start. So say, for example, this is today, then you can click on start, and then you'll be able to have the information to see where to go to the warehouse, and then collect your equipment, start the timer so you can contribute the time to the total time cleaning, and then when you return the equipment, you'll have completed your volunteer. So this is the demo. Oh, sorry. That's fine.
Okay, any questions?
Asking questions, you can keep clicking to the demo.
Yeah, that's fine. So why would I want to go clean up the street? I'm not clear on what's the part where the street gets more clean.
So you are basically taking ownership of your city. So people who want to keep the streets clean, they have the incentive to donate the money, right? And the people who want to participate being in a community and help contribute with their time and effort, they can sign up and see a stats view of
Do they get the money?
no, they don't get the money. It's not money incentives, but you do get the stats of how many hours you have contributed, and you can showcase that you're participating in this bigger community. So it's basically this like adopt a block, street a block idea that you can recurrently take care of this just one block of the city, and you can like maybe do it weekly or monthly or every 60 days.
So where does the money go then?
The money goes to the warehouses. So one way is we sponsor the warehouses, so you can choose to sponsor the warehouse to have the supplies for each block, as well as connecting to the organizations that also keep the streets clean. So there are community services organizations that have that need the money to have volunteers to clean.
How much of what we saw in your slides there have you built?
So I built the logging using Auth0. So we have the web app interface like built, so it's responsive and also like available on the web as well as on the phone. So right now I just have the logging and the map connected. If I can, the Google Map service connected.
Okay, thank you. Nice job, ladies.